so if you have a problem like this with your sander, quickly show you how to fix it. So it's all due to the screw that is loosened in here. So you need to remove 2 screws on top, 2 screws on bottom to remove this cover. And then you need to tighten the screw that's on the inside thread on both sides. So, as you can see, when I'm moving the belt, the ring is actually not spinning. I'll just quickly show you the screw location. It would be down there. There is on this side, and there's one on this side as well. So all you need to do is grab the Allen key, really secure it. So we'll do that right now. So just do it on 2 sides. Like so. So you can see that both rings are spinning, the belt is spinning, it's not sticking anymore.